Hello friends, the development of high-speed air turbine handpiece changed the practice of dentistry for both clinician as well as the patients, and the transformation was more rapid than any other profession has seen. It is also important to maintain, clean and disinfect these handpieces to prevent the cross contamination. So, today we are going to discuss about how to clean and disinfect the aerator or high speed air turbine handpieces. In the year 2008, the Centers for Disease Control, in its guideline for disinfection and sterilization in healthcare facilities, reminded that handpieces can be contaminated internally with patient's saliva and blood and should be heat sterilized after each patient. Handpieces that cannot be sterilized should not be used. No handpiece should be used on more than one patient without being autoclaved between the patients. So, the acceptable methods of sterilization include chemical vapor sterilization, dry heat sterilization, autoclaving. And the method which is not recommended is the use of ethylene oxide gas. Coming on to what to look for in a handpiece from a sterilization aspect. It should be autoclavable and have a smooth and sleek design that do not hold debris and bacteria and have a seamless finish with no gap between the outer castings, and the finish of the handpiece should be able to withstand the sterilization process for a long period of time, and the metal which is used, that is titanium, withstands chemicals and the sterilization process better than the chrome plated one. So the following guidelines represents the general approach to maintenance of the handpiece, that is surface cleaning, lubrication, running the handpiece after lubrication to expel excess oil, cleaning fiber optic surfaces, sterilization and drying the handpiece. Coming on to surface cleaning. Center for Disease Control guidelines call for flushing water through the handpiece in the operatory for 30 seconds to remove potential contaminants from the internal water line. In the sterilization area, clean off any bioburden using a brush under running water. A mild detergent is acceptable. Bioburden or debris left on dental instruments may act as a protective shield for the microorganisms in the sterilizer. Alcohol should never be used as a cleaning agent that can dehydrate spores and increase resistance to sterilization. Do not use any chemical solutions for cleaning, as foreign substances may have a detrimental effect on the sterilizer or the handpiece. Dry off the handpiece. It is an important step before chemiclaving or use of chemical agent for the sterilization, as excess water will allow oxidation to occur in the chamber leading to corrosion. Lubricating the handpiece. Use proper lubricating tip to spray oil into the drive airline or into the aerator. Spray oil until it comes out of the handpiece head. This ensures that lubricant has penetrated to the bearings, even if the lubricant is delivered incorrectly. Oil coming from the head indicates that it has reached the bearings. Install a bore in the chuck and run the handpiece for 20 seconds. After lubrication, it is important to run the handpiece to evenly distribute oil through the bearings and to expel excess oil to prevent coagulation during autoclaving. Cleaning the fiber optic surfaces. Alcohol and Q-tip may be used to remove excess oil from debris from all fiber optic surfaces if there are any. Bag the handpiece. Guidelines suggest bagging instruments and handpieces to maintain the sterility. A paper or plastic containing bag is preferred, which allows steam to dissipate through the paper side while contents remain readily identifiable. Coming on to sterilization. Autoclave the handpiece following manufacturer guidelines. Allow the sterilizer to completely process through the dry cycle. Drying of the handpiece. After the cycle, place the bag containing the handpiece so that it gets thoroughly dry. If you are using a combination of paper and plastic bag, paper side should be on top of the sterilizer to thoroughly dry. This is a warm area. As the heat from the sterilizer rises, the handpiece will dry more thoroughly.